Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Welcome to the biology class. Today we will discuss the next organelles present in the cell, plastids. Okay, plastids are the membrane-bodied organelles. That means it cover with membrane, and they are present in plant cells and in photosynthetic protists. That is algae. Okay, they are covered with double membrane and they are present in plant and photosynthetic protists. Okay, according to their structures and function, plastids are divided into three types. They are classified into three types: chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. We will discuss first chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast is double membrane bounded organelle. This is the structure of chloroplast. Its outer membrane, like mitochondria, is smooth. Okay, this is the outer membrane of chloroplast, and inner membrane of chloroplast give rise sac-like structures, which is called thylakoids. Inner membrane form sac-like structure, which is called thylakoids. These thylakoids, they are stack over each other. They are present one over another, and they form stack-like structure, which is called granum. Okay, granum is singular and its plural is grana. Okay, and these granum, they float in a fluid-like inner base of the chloroplast, which is called the stoma. Stoma is present inside the chloroplast, where this thylakoid and granum is present. Okay. Chloroplast, basically its function is it is involved in photosynthesis. Okay, they have green pigment, and that's why they are present. They are involved in photosynthesis. Okay, so this is basically the structure of chloroplast. Okay. Next type of chloroplast is plastid is chromoplasts. Chromoplasts, these are mostly colored, and they are present in the flowers, petals, okay, and fruits, and that's why they are involved in pollination. Okay, and they also give the color to the flower petals of a flower. Okay, so chromoplasts is the second type of plastids, and they are colored. Okay. Next is leucoplasts. Leucoplasts is the third type, and they are colorless. Okay, they are colorless, and they store food, and food is stored in different forms like protein, lipids, carbohydrates. In different form, food is stored in leucoplasts. So plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast is green in color, chromoplast is colored, and leucoplast is colorless, and they have different function and different structure, and here we discuss the structure of chloroplast in detail. Okay, chloroplast. Okay, next organelle present in the cell is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is like interconnected channel, and they are present from nucleus. They are extend to the cell membrane. Okay, this is the animal cell. In this, it is clearly visible here. These channel-like structure, they are called endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, according to the structure and function, endoplasmic reticulum, they are of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, because they are rough in appearance because of presence of ribosome in it. Okay, on rough endoplasmic reticulum, there are ribosome present, and therefore they are rough in appearance. Okay, and this its function is it involved in protein synthesis. Okay, because of presence of ribosome on the endoplasmic reticulum, they are involved in protein synthesis. And second type of endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it do not have ribosome, that's why it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and it involves in different functions. Like its function is lipid metabolism, lipids को break down करते हैं lipids, and then it transport material across the cell because it is present from nucleus to the plasma membrane. That's why it involved in the transport of different materials across the cell, and it also detoxify the different harmful chemical that enter the cells. It means that breakdown. Detoxify means that break down the different harmful chemical. If they enter into the cell, then this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they break down, then they detoxify them. Okay, so this is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this is the another organelle present in the cell. Okay, you have to learn each and every point of these organelles सारे, बल्कि आपने अच्छे से याद करना थॉरली, बिकॉज कहीं से भी कुछ भी पूछ लिया जाता है तो कोई पॉइंट मिस नहीं करना आपने कहीं से भी. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कहीं से फंक्शन जैसे पूछ लिए जाते हैं, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ rough endoplasmic reticulum, what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, what are the types of endoplasmic reticulum, what is endoplasmic reticulum, okay, where it is located. इसी तरह से प्लास्टिड्स के डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. इसमें क्लोरोप्लास्ट से रिलेटेड हैं, व्हाट इज ग्राना, स्टोमा, ये टर्म्स अच्छी तरह से याद करने हैं आपने. थाइलोकाइड्स और व्हाट इज क्रोमोप्लास्ट, ल्यूकोप्लास्ट, यानी आपने एक एक पॉइंट इसका अच्छे से याद करना. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर MCQs, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. कहीं से भी आपसे कुछ भी पूछ लिया जाता है. एंड बार बार आपसे कह रही हूँ, डायग्राम आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ये देखेंगे इसकी क्लोरोप्लास्ट की डायग्राम है, इसको इसी तरह से इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इसी तरह से दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, रफ एंड स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. जिसके ऊपर राइबोसोम्स हैं, they are rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this one is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So practice the diagrams, make the MCQs, short question, and learn it thoroughly. Don't miss any point. Each and every point जो है वो you have to learn it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.